In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion to manage your life by creating a comprehensive life dashboard. This versatile tool will become the central hub for organizing your tasks, goals, calendar, habits, journal, finances, projects, and notes. Let's dive right in and transform the way you manage your life. Imagine starting your day with a single glance at an organized dashboard that tells you exactly what you need to do and where you need to go. This is precisely what we're aiming for. Start by building a homepage within Notion that links to all your important areas. Think of this homepage as your command center, your go-to place every time you open Notion. First, create separate sections for each area you want to manage: tasks, goals, calendar, habit tracker, journal, finance tracker, projects, and notes. These sections will serve as your reference points throughout your daily routine. Let's begin by setting up your task manager. You can organize this section by creating a table or Kanban board. The table should have columns for tasks, deadlines, priorities, and current status, like to do, in progress, and completed. Notion allows you to customize this section with filters or tags to help you organize tasks by category or urgency. This level of customization is particularly helpful for allowing you to spend more time on the things that matter most. A task manager, when set up correctly, aids in boosting productivity and reducing procrastination. Next, move on to your goals section. Define long-term and short-term goals, and make sure to include actionable steps to achieve each one. Crafting your goals in a clear manner with markers for progress helps keep them within reach. Update this section regularly, and don't forget to celebrate your achievements, big and small, to keep motivation high. Now let's add a calendar. Notion enables you to embed a calendar that syncs perfectly with your schedule. This calendar can act as a visual timeline for your life, helping you to never miss an appointment or a deadline. It's a great way to visualize your commitments and see the flow of your week or month at a glance. A habit tracker is next on our list. This feature is invaluable for personal development, encouraging you to build positive habits and eliminate unproductive ones. Set up a simple checkbox table where you can track your habits daily. Notice patterns and adjust your habits to maintain a healthy balance. Once your dashboard basics are set up, move on to the journal section. Document your daily thoughts, reflections, and ideas. This space is a great outlet for creativity and reflection, providing a moment of pause amid the hustle of daily tasks. The finance tracker should contain categories for income, expenses, and savings. Track every transaction to maintain financial health and reach savings goals. Like your task manager, ensure this section is updated frequently to provide an accurate picture of your financial status. Projects are another crucial aspect. Separate them from smaller tasks to ensure dedicated attention and efficient management. Use a detailed table that includes project timelines, stakeholders, resources, and milestones. Finally, your notes section is your catch-all for everything else. Random ideas, meeting notes, or reference materials you need at hand. With these components in place, your Notion dashboard will serve as a seamless extension of your brain. I hope this guide helps you set up an effective Notion life dashboard. With these tools right at your fingertips, managing your life can become an organized and streamlined process. Keep exploring all that Notion has to offer, and tailor your dashboard to suit your unique lifestyle. Happy organizing!